Well, big brands, bigger banners, he's got it all sorted. But what about the women he stars with? Now, Katrina Kaif once said that she'd love to see Ranbir Kapoor with Vidya Balan. Any thoughts on that, Radhika?
Well, okay, now that's one jury I just can't visualize. But who knows, sometimes the strangest things work the best. And talking of strange things, Vikram has been spotted loitering around trying to absorb some excellence.
Yes, Radhika, some of us less mortals do have to loiter around in search of excellence while the others get awarded for it. That's exactly what happened tonight, where FICCI Frames Excellence Award 2010 took place and people like Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor, Vidya Balan were awarded, and this is what happened at the show.
Appa, his ma, a salesman, a maestro and a man whose name is Khan, took top honours at the first ever FICCI Frames Excellence Award. No prizes for guessing, it was for celebration of all things excellent in the world of entertainment. A slew of stars were out in Powai to cheer the fraternity on. And now the honours. A.R. Rahman was named the Global Icon of the Year, King Khan was Global Entertainer of the Year, while Ranbir Kapoor, who's had a very busy day, took home the Entertainer of the Year award.
This Global Entertainer of the Year award.
Very humbling, very nice actually, because I really truly believe, with all jokes apart, that FICCI does some outstanding work for cinema and media in general. So it's really nice that I could be called here. So it's a great honor. That's why I've just rushed straight from work. I didn't even get time to change. I was just heading back from Kolkata. But really humbled and very thankful for this award.
I definitely know that we need to give back. People have got so much from the industry, has to give back, and that's what we're all trying to do.
Well, it's only going to be shining bright. I mean, we have new ideas coming in, new directors coming in. We are now not afraid of doing films which we probably would have been afraid 10 years back. So I would like to believe that we are at a time of progressive cinema, and it's only going to progress and progress and progress.
Keeping its run of podium finishes alive, Power bagged the Best Actor and Actress for Amitabh Bachchan and Vidya Balan.
We are very grateful and humbled by all the love and affection that our film has received, by all the awards that we've received. And for me, it's almost special because I'd never in my wildest dreams thought that I would win a Best Actress award the same year that Mr. Bachchan would win a Best Actor.
In Mumbai with Vikram Thapa, Radhika Awasthi for NDTV.
Tuba.com